How to see your Instagram sticker responses. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can do this. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, go ahead and open up Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into your account. The next step is to head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right to head over to your settings. And once landed on the settings page, under how you use Instagram, you'll find your activity. Now, under interactions, you have different options like your likes, comments, notes, tags, and then sticker responses. Just tap on it. And here you'll be able to see all of the stickers that you have responded to. And you could choose, filter it out from oldest to newest, all dates, choose the authors, and many more. And that's how you find your sticker responses on Instagram. If this was helpful to you guys, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.